Yeah, so Nadri is about 30 years old. We're a fashion jewelry brand based in the US, and we are in all major US department stores, and we're here for the third year at the TFWA. We utilize fine jewelry techniques with our fashion materials, so mainly we hand polish, we hand set. We take a lot of pride in our quality, and it's embedded in our DNA. While we use fashion jewelry materials, we treat it like fine jewelry, so we get that really beautiful look of real, whether it's CZ and different materials, and we get that, sometimes we rival real diamonds, as we say. So we are such a great fit for travel retail for many reasons as well. We'd say since we own our factory, we have a lot of capabilities to cater our product assortments to different markets. So whereas we have a lot of sparkle in our assortments, we've also started leaning into colored stones, natural stones, and it really gives us a lot of capabilities from a product assortment. We just launched with Holland America this season, and then we have some other exciting partnerships coming up in 2026. So we're excited for the future. I think the product, everyone loves it. We love spreading that Nadri sparkle across the world, but I think mainly we really believe in the quality and the DNA of our sparkle and our fine jewelry techniques, and we love bringing it to travel retail.